If you're a struggling trader, by the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a free tool that has only been available to lifetime members for the last 2 months. And the tool that we're gonna go ahead and give you guys for free is the Trusted Signals Insider Suite Pro, okay? And I'm also gonna go ahead and show you guys how you guys can level up your trading while using these tools. And these tools can also be set up to live alerts, so that way you guys are in the know at all times what the market is doing. We had a huge run today on Bitcoin, and this is a tool specifically for cryptocurrencies, and it's gonna go ahead and predict this next alt run. Now, keep in mind that if you are watching this video, inside the comments, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link, okay? Because this is not available on the website, and this is gonna bring you to the WAP. It's gonna go ahead and get you free access to the Discord community, so that way you guys can, be in the know, okay? So I'm gonna drop that link inside the comment. The Insider Suite Pro, and when I tell you this thing is literally a banger, this only works on the higher time frame. Keep in mind that right now, we are in the bull run. And if we look at what this thing has done in the past, altcoin bear, accumulation phase, bull, altcoin bear, accumulation zone, bull. So if we look at what happens after the bull market, and we are treading in this territory right now as we speak, okay? That's why I'm making this video. After the bull run, we have the altcoin run. And keep in mind that right now, okay, I'm giving you guys the ability to set up the alerts, so that way when this altcoin alert fires, you guys can make money, you guys can join the actual community and join our paid membership, right? So this tool right here, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys for free. This thing is simply amazing, and it's very, very easy to use. You literally just set it up to the charts, select crypto, candle coloring, because that's gonna go ahead and give you these candle colors and like the distinction. You're gonna set this up on the weekly time frame, and that's it. You just set up your alert and then just wait for the next alert. Now, if you watch this video to this point, I wanna go ahead and know and find out. So drop a flame emoji inside the chat, because I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of you guys and give you guys $100 for free. And maybe I'll go ahead and throw in a lifetime membership if we get a bunch of flame emojis. So all you have to do is literally just comment now. And on top of the other free tools that I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys, I'm also gonna throw in the correlation forecast tool. So what the correlation and forecast tool does, it actually marks this blue area, and then it looks back at the past for similar chart patterns, okay? And this is pretty cool, because I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happened in the past with the same candlestick pattern. And it basically gives us the forecast, and this white area is what the market is predicted to do in that next scenario. And as you guys can see here, this blue area is identical to the blue area that we just had. And as you guys can see here, the market just went and did this. And keep in mind, look, the trend meter is also blue. So this would have been another trade that you would have got into if you have our tools. So drop a comment for your boy if you like what we're doing in the channel. We've literally made 3 videos in the last 24, 48 hours, and we have a bunch of guides and tutorials that are gonna pop off this week. Link in the description for everything that we have. We have sister company, we have EA Trader, we have the best tools on the planet, okay guys? And remember, if you get lifetime access this month, we're gonna go ahead and throw in EA Trader, so that way you guys can test this for, 30 days, okay? And since you guys watched this far as well, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek inside the paid community for EA Trader. As you guys can see right here, you guys can pause it and read it, but check this out, right? We're gonna go ahead and go to the general chat. This is yesterday, okay? This is in the EA Trader account, okay? 5% yesterday, 43% for the last month. If you guys are ready to take your trading to the next level, trust me guys, Trusted Signals has you covered. I have a bunch of videos coming for you guys, and I cannot wait, okay? This member right here, $6,000 using Trusted Signals with AutomatedTrader.com. You're not gonna wanna miss what we have going on. So hit that like button, hit that comment button. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys all these things, so that way you guys can get your trading to the next level. Peace.